Hey, what if I told you that you could take something that costs 50 cents at any gas station, spend 3 minutes on it, and resell it for $10 or $15? I know it sounds crazy, but I am talking about starting a customized lighter business from your desk. And before you think this sounds complicated, just hear me out. You do not need expensive machinery or a factory. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to start a custom lighter business at home, what it costs, how to set it up step by step, and the profit you can realistically make. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what this business is and why it works so well. Millions use lighters every single day. Whether for lighting candles or everyday use, everyone keeps a lighter around. But here's the interesting part. People are absolutely obsessed with personalization. Nobody wants a boring solid color lighter if they can have one featuring a cool vintage aesthetic, a funny quote, or a sleek metallic design. The business model is simple. You buy standard high-quality blank lighters in bulk for pennies and transform them using clean, professional custom vinyl wraps. Once you add that premium look, the perceived value skyrockets. Most people don't know this, but profit margins in the customization niche are massive because you are not just selling a tool, you're selling a vibe and a piece of art. Who can start this? Honestly, anyone. Whether you're a college student looking for extra cash or someone who wants a creative side hustle, you can do this from your kitchen table. It is beginner-friendly, and if you have the patience to get stickers on straight, you already have the skills required. All right, let me show you how to actually get this going from zero. It is straightforward, but the magic is in the execution. Step 1. Source your blank lighters. Buy classic lighters in bulk. Standard Clipper or classic Bic-style lighters are the best choices because they have a smooth, consistent shape that is easy to wrap. Keep it simple and flat. Step 2. Create or buy designs. This is where creativity comes in. Use free software like Canva to design cool patterns. If you're not a designer, that's fine. You can easily buy inexpensive digital design bundles online that are pre-measured for lighter wraps. Step 3. Print on high-quality vinyl. Do not use regular paper. You need waterproof, printable vinyl sticker paper. This ensures the design won't easily scratch off or fade. Print your designs using a standard home inkjet printer. Step 4. Cut and wrap with precision. And this is where it gets better, the assembly. Cut your printed designs out using a basic craft knife so the edges are perfectly straight. Carefully peel the backing and roll the sticker tightly around the lighter. Take your time to make sure there are zero air bubbles and the back seam lines up cleanly. A neat finish separates a cheap craft from a premium product. Step 5. Add small accessories and package. To really stand out, bundle your custom lighter with a matching small accessory like a simple keychain. Place them into a sleek tin box or a small pouch. This instantly turns a basic lighter into a premium gift set that people will pay top dollar for. Here's what you actually need to get started. You don't need much to start, and do not worry, this list is short. First, a basic inkjet printer. A standard home printer works perfectly. Second, waterproof printable vinyl sticker paper. Third, a sharp craft knife or paper trimmer for straight cuts. Fourth, your bulk blank lighters. Fifth, optional, clear laminating sheets to give your wraps an extra glossy protection layer. Finally, small aesthetic packaging materials like little tin boxes or matching keychains. For space, you honestly just need a clean desk. You do not need a workshop. All your inventory can fit inside one shoebox. That's the beauty of this hustle. It takes up zero room. Let's talk money, and here's the simple way to look at it. We are using realistic, up-to-date numbers so you know exactly what to expect. Minimum starter investment. Bulk blank lighters, pack of 50, $15 to $20. Waterproof printable vinyl paper, 20 sheets, $15 to $18. A sharp craft knife and cutting mat, $10 to $12. Small packaging pouches, pack of 50, $15 to $20. Optional cheap keychains in bulk, 50 pieces, $10. Total minimum investment around $65 to $80. That is seriously it. Assuming you already have a home printer, you can launch this entire business for under $100. If you scale up later, you could invest in a digital cutting machine like a Cricut to cut stickers automatically for around $200. For a beginner, Doing it by hand with a craft knife is all you need. This is the part people overthink, but it is actually pretty straightforward. You have a highly visual product, which makes marketing a breeze. Online selling. TikTok and Instagram Reels are made for a business like this. People love satisfying videos. Just record yourself printing the design, peeling the sticker, and smoothly rolling it onto the lighter for that perfect finish. Put trending music over it, and those videos can easily go viral. You can set up an Etsy store to process orders. Etsy is a massive goldmine for custom gifts, especially if you offer customized text, like printing someone's name on the wrap. Offline selling. Do not ignore your local area. Take a display box of your coolest designs and walk into local boutique gift stores or smoke shops. Show the owner the quality. Ask them to keep a small display box on their counter. Because your designs are unique, they are highly likely to say yes and split the profit with you. Let's be real about the numbers. We want realistic expectations. Let's break down the math. Your cost for a single blank lighter is about 30 to 40 cents. The vinyl sticker and ink cost maybe 10 cents. The little pouch and a cheap keychain cost another 40 cents. Your total cost to produce a premium packaged lighter set is right around $1. But here's the exciting part. A customized, aesthetically pleasing lighter sold in a nice little gift pouch can easily sell for $6 to $10 online, especially on Etsy. If you do a custom design with someone's specific name, you can charge $12 to $15. Let's say you sell just 50 custom lighters a week at an average of $8 each. That's $400 in weekly revenue. Subtract your $50 in materials, and you're looking at $350 in pure weekly profit. That's an extra $1,400 a month for sticking cool designs onto plastic while watching Netflix. Your ongoing costs are tiny, making profit margins fantastic. Quick tips before you jump right in. Never rush the wrapping process. The biggest mistake beginners make is slapping the sticker on too fast and trapping air bubbles. An air bubble instantly makes the lighter look cheap. Go slow and smooth it out with your thumb. Respect copyright laws. It's tempting to print logos of big sports teams or famous characters, but that can get your Etsy shop shut down fast. Stick to your own designs or buy commercial use patterns online. Test your measurements. Before you print a whole page of designs, print one on cheap regular paper first. Cut it out and wrap it around the lighter to ensure the size is perfectly snug without overlapping too much. Start small before scaling. Do not buy 1,000 lighters on day one. Start with 50, learn the process, build confidence, then scale. A small, successful operation is better than a big, failed one. So there you go. A real, practical, low-cost home business you can start literally from your desk with less than $100. Customizing lighters is incredibly creative. The demand for personalized gifts is consistent, and it genuinely works. If you're looking for a side hustle that doesn't require a huge investment or any fancy skills, this one is absolutely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more practical content like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button because I post realistic business ideas regularly that you can start with low money. Got any questions about setting this up? Drop them in the comments down below. I read every single one. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.